What's up guys, this is your Tech Freak MB, and in this video I'm gonna show you the Color OS. Now this OS is of the Oppo, and we all know the Oppo, the camera centric smartphones, but yes, the software base is good and it is for Redmi 2 and Redmi 2 Prime. Why I'm showing this ROM, because this ROM supports the Volte, and a lot of people are getting problem with the custom ROMs like with the Lineage OS and other stuff. A lot of other ROMs which are based on stock Android, and they're getting a lot of problems with Volte E. So if you are bored with the MIUI and want a ROM which is almost stable, also it is rooted, so this ROM is good for you all. And also it supports the Volte. You can see the HD icon. I don't know if you can see it not. I'm going to show you in the settings. It supports the Volte, that's why it is good, and the ROM is pretty stable, I would say. There's no sign it supports the Volte, but HD supported. I try to make call and it works perfectly. And the installation is very simple. I'm giving the installation part in the description, and you can check the description for the installation. And this ROM is pretty stable, and also this ROM has a lot of customization, like basic customization provided by the um, like official Oppo ROM. So this ROM is good. The off-screen gesture don't work. I don't know why, but they don't work. But yes, double tap to wake works, and also other stuff works. So no problem, no force closes. And of course, this ROM is not going to update by any official, so you have to just stick on it if you want a ROM which supports Volte and want some new experience from your phone. So that's it in the video, and thanks for watching. This is Manik, and I'm signing off.